Hey everybody, I just got a new fun diamond painting kit in, and this is one that you can customize. Let me open it up and show you what it's all about. All right, so what basic tools do you get? You get all of your drills. Now, you can actually decide on this particular kit if you want to do square drills, which is what I got, meaning that's little pieces, or do you want rounded ones? They're all faceted, they're all pretty, and you get to take your pick. You also can decide per design, do you want whatever size you want. So we picked out a 30 by 40 design. There's probably about 60 or 70 different designs. You can pick the size, you can go huge, you can go small. You can also submit your own pictures, so a family photo, whatever. You can submit them and they'll turn them into diamond art paintings, which I think is just really, really cool. All right, so how does this thing work? You guys know I love diamond art, so here's this one. My son picked out the design here, and it's like a Harry Potter. And let me pull part of it off so you guys can see what is going on here. It's not really a Harry Potter. It's actually just kind of a cool motif. So it's got, so here you can see this whole entire backside is sticky, and so that's what this covering is about. So we've got some glasses, we've got a bird, we got the owl, we got a moon, there's like a castle in the background, there's a book. So it's very kind of witchy, and you can kind of get the idea back here. All right, so I'm just gonna kind of close this up. If you're not using it, definitely close this up so that way you can keep your sticky. You also get your tray, you get some little tweezers, you get your little tool that'll help you pick up all of your pieces here. You get your sticky piece, which is this right here, and then you get this tool, which allows you to pick up as well. So this is like a little sticky end on this side, and this is like a fine end, so sometimes you have to move them around a little tiny bit. All right, so let's show you how it all gets put on. All right, so what you do is basically you have a key right here and you have your pieces down here. So what I have is I have a little number 17. So I want to do these little check marks down here. So I go over here and go, okay, check mark. Well, that is number 17, and I look on my bag and it says 17. And then there's also a code 81, blah, and then there it is, right? So I take that, and these are resealable bags, so you can pop out as much as you want and use what you need. And you lay it down flat, and then you just kind of shift these little things around, and guess what? They always pop up face upwards, which I think is awesome. I just kind of lay mine off to the side, and then you start applying them to your diamond art. So I take it from here to here. You go ahead and place in, and this is a little sticky stuff, so you just give yourself a little bit of a stick, and you kind of pop, you pick it up, and then you place it down. And because this is a little bit of a square, you do need to make sure that you lay them down so that they kind of fit just right. And you just pick up and you place. So here you can see you just pick up and you just start placing them on there. It is a nice, easy craft that you can use. Just something simple that you can do when you're kind of watching TV. You can put on a show in the background. Easy, fun craft. There's so many fun designs. There's a link down below where you can find this particular site where you can upload. So you can do like a family photo. You could do, oh geez, what else could you do? You could do something where it's like a kid's art drawing that they made that you want to remember, a memorial to a pet or a family member. I mean, all kinds of fun things that you can do to help kind of like bring something that is special to your family and put it in the form of something that is an artwork, a piece of art, which I think is really fun. So see how simple this is? You just pick them up, you drop them down. If your little stylus starts to get a little less sticky, just do a little dot here like that, and you can pick it up. It lasts a long time. I mean, I really wasn't truly ready to do that yet, but I was just showing you how fast and easy it is. So you can go through, you can pick them up, pop them all down, put on some music. We took a whole bunch of versions like this on a trip up to this past summer, and my son did like 5 or 6 of these, and he's 13 and absolutely loves them. Now, if for any reason these little pieces are not lined up, you can also use this little tool and just kind of rearrange them, pop them in there. Like I have one that's just not quite on there. There we go. And you just kind of keep working. Carefully, don't stick your hand to it. And then that's it. You just kind of keep going on. If you are done, guess what? You just pop this on here. You throw these little bits back inside the baggie. Just pop all these little things inside the baggie, and you are set to go. And then you can come back and you can start anywhere you want on this. It does not have to be exactly where you left off. Just use your little color code, which is right here. Use your little color code, use this, store all these little pieces. You can store it inside the box that it came in. You can store it inside a plastic baggie. This is something that you could work on. It's like doing a puzzle, it's like doing cross stitch, it's like doing knitting. Just need a table and you're set to go. So I'm gonna show you a little glimpse of what the images that we picked out, which is right here. Here's a bigger version. Link is down below where you can get your own DIY 5D diamond painting kit, and you can also submit your own images for you guys to do on your own, which is fantastic. Coupon code's down below. My link is down below. Check it out. Please subscribe, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye-bye, everybody.